Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am so sorry that I mispositioned the tripod so you can't even see my face. So basically I was just explaining that we are going to be doing DIY rose bouquet with mini liquor bottles that you can get anywhere. And so basically what I was using here is basket paper, the red basket paper, gardening tape, regular tape, like clear tape, wooden sticks, the liquor bottles obviously, and then any other little gift ideas that you want to put together. Okay, so the first thing you want to go ahead and take out is the gardening paper, which I got from Dollar Tree, and the wooden sticks, and you want to go ahead and open that up. Alrighty, so the next thing you want to go ahead and take out and open is the red basket paper, and then we are going to start the roses. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and open up the basket paper, and then you want to grab one liquor bottle and you want to put it on one of the corners, and then you just want to roll it up. At first I was trying to do it from the bottom, but that wasn't working, so then I just I laid it down and then I started rolling it, and then that seemed to work until it looks like a little flower. And then once you have it, then you can start twisting it, and then use the scissors to go ahead and cut the top part. And then once you have, see how I'm like twisting right there, grab scissors, cut it off, and then you have like the little roll, and then you grab the piece of the clear tape, you tape it. Wow, so I can't believe I totally forgot to show this first. But the first thing you want to do before wrapping it is grabbing the little wood stick, grabbing a piece of tape, and then taping both the stick and the tape to the actual liquor bottle. Then once you're done with that is when you grab the basket paper, and then you start wrapping it around until it looks like a flower or a rose. And then after that, you cut it off, the top, you twist it and then cut it off. And then you add clear tape to close it off. Alrighty, so the next thing you want to grab is the green garden tape. And then what you want to do there is you want to start wrapping it around the stem of the bottle, like the top, and then just work your way all the way down to the wood, and then just go all the way down and tightening it hard, because it's kind of annoying to work with it because it's kind of sticky, but it's not sticky. It's not a sticky consistency like actual tape. So it's not going to tape easily unless you like tighten it hard, and then you kind of squeeze it together so it can stay stuck on there. And now you just go ahead and do the same thing over until you're done with as many bottles you want to go ahead and make as roses. you just want to go ahead and put the roses in the bag or wherever you want to gift them, and make sure they don't fall and all that, and you're all done. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you liked it, please subscribe, thumbs up on this video, and comment and let me know if you liked it. And if you went ahead and did it as a gift, let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you on my next one.